available McAfee cars 2013 Nissan Qashqai Plus 2 1.5 dCi turbo diesel in metallic nice shade black. It's got xenon headlights, 18-inch Nissan alloy wheels, 360 camera, privacy glass, good luggage cover in the 7-seater car. Let's have a look inside. It's got black hard leather interior with 5 headrests, electric windows on the back, electric windows on the front, electric mirrors, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and Bluetooth. It's got 40,000 miles on the clock. It's got sat-nav, and 360 cameras. CD and radio player, and also aux in. It's got a climate control and air conditioning, 6-speed manual transmission. It's got an electric panoramic roof. And for your safety, airbags on the front. And also on the back. To book a test or get more information about this car, please give us a call.